Initial locomotion event, high torque actuation, instantaneous attitude hold, optics online now. Recoil compensation engaged. Point of aim deviation stays sub-arc minute under burst fire. Global geometry baseline, mass centroid aligned within pelvic beam tolerance limits. Load path mapping, ground reaction forces resolve into axial spine compression. Heel to toe transfer, ankle compliance arrests residual vibration within 2 cycles. Lateral impulse rejection, step pair strategy restores posture quickly without overshoot. Grip module delivers sustained force above yield, slip remains tightly controlled. Actuator stack, peak torque bands overlap, preventing dead zones in gait. Power bus topology uses stage buffers, overcurrent cutoffs isolate fault domains. Dynamic firing stance, shoulder counter rotation stabilizes muzzle vector in transit. Head gyro isolation maintains sightline while torso executes rapid yaw steps. Visual fixation remains stable despite aggressive rotational body motion. Low illumination mode, IR channel fusion enhances edge fidelity without bloom. Dual channel optics with parallax calibration, variable focus actuated in milliseconds. IMU and gyro network, closed loop stabilization tuned for low latency rejection. Fine placement task, force feedback tuned to micronewton precision, 0 pin deformation. Typing sequence, precision cadence, clean actuation, return to idle state. Impact event absorbed by compliant links. Sight picture remains undisturbed. Redundant routing. Bypass lines isolate damage and preserve actuator authority. Step ascent. Structural balance maintained during stair traversal and entry. Stability cluster online. Axial correction minimal. Load channel efficiency nominal. Narrow path traversal. Axis locked throughout uneven beam crossing sequence. Sector sweep complete. 0 hostiles detected. Scanning remains mechanically synchronized. Sensor timing holds rigid alignment across the full sweep cycle. Force override engaged. Structure yields under distributed, controlled mechanical pressure. Mission complete. Continuing protocol. Advancing forward into persistent operational mode. Subscribe and look deeper into how fictional worlds actually work.